Alright, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. Still on the matter Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting the people they talk about and exactly waiting they be. Okay, well, my people, on to this one, many things done they go on, most especially the issue of Chief Sunday Igboho and then Gani Adams. My brother, my sister, right now I go definitely tell you now. In fact, I can confirm it that Ashiri Iba Gani Adams OT2, no be small something. He get one man wey be former OPC member wey be say come outside. In fact, this man exposed everything wey you know about Gani Adams, how Gani Adams bad well. This man wey we dey talk about na somebody wey be say him na member of the OPC a long time ago, but this man don comot for this group sake of say their character or everything wey dem dey do e no good at all. Okay, now this man come outside come dey tell us say many things wey be say this Gani Adams don do. If people know wetin this man don do, they go know say this man no be better person at all. Say this man no suppose even dey among the Yoruba people at all. And then now this man come tell us something. Say now as we dey talk, say about 17 members of the OPC people dem dey for inside prison as we dey talk, and wetin cause am no be small something. According to wetin this man dey tell us, he say this man wey dem dey call Gani Adams, say the man he hate Yoruba nation sotey na him come send him boys make dem go fight Yoruba nation agitator wey dey for Osun state, and he call the name of the area Tumodu. Na him call the name of the area for the people wey be say dem dey Osun state. I know dem go know that area. Say for Tumodu, na there the OPC boys wey Iba Gani Adams send, he say he send them say make dem go fight the Yoruba nation people sake of say dem dey try to get Yoruba nation, sake of say dem dey shout say na Yoruba nation be the only way. Now this man don come outside, come let us dey understand all the bad thing wey this Gani Adams don do, wey he don commit. Say this man say he like money, say no be small thing. We dey come back onto that one. Yes, so according to this man let us dey understand. They say this Gani Adams, he hate Yoruba people. In fact, he hate Yoruba nation movement. Sotey na him he come say make all him boys go fight all the Yoruba nation agitator wey dey for Osun state around for that Tumodu area for Osun state. Say along the line wey be say in dey fight these people. Now from there police come say make dem come settle the matter. Now in these boys start to dey fight the police. Immediately dem beat the police, dem even kpai police. According to wetin the man tell us, say dem do many bad things to police because police dey try to settle them between the fight wey dey happen between them and Yoruba nation. Say now make everybody ask this Gani Adams say where him belong. Make dem ask Gani Adams say why he can't be say he dey fight the people wey be say dem dey try to make sure say dem pursue Fulani comot for their land. Why be say this Gani Adams they come outside they fight Chief Sunday Igboho wey be say Chief Sunday Igboho just dey fight to make things for better. Now this man come talk say he no go blame anybody at all. According to the man, he say he no go blame anybody wey call Iba Gani Adams a bastard. Say yes, so say anybody wey call Gani Adams a bastard, say he no go blame the person. Say because you no go fit say oh you no be bastard, say you be the real son of your papa. You can't say make a enemy go your papa land, make e go destroy them. Say person wey be say e no be bastard, e no go fit say okay make dem come dey kpai all in Yoruba people, and him go sit down. They see they collect money, they tell them wetin to do against the Yoruba people. You see say now for the Yoruba people to dey talk say Gani Adams na bastard, say him no go blame them. And this man don come outside say like this I say wetin this OPC people dey do say no be better thing at all. Say in fact the wetin that they use and they do now no be wetin dem create the group for be that. say those our papa wey be say some of them don late wey organize this OPC. When they organize am, dem organize am because of the Yoruba people, so that things wey be say dey go wrong for Yoruba land, dem go fit come outside to come protect the Yoruba people. Say but now wetin dem dey use am dey do no be better thing at all. Say most of them dey use this thing dey kpai people. Say most of them dey use this thing to dey kidnap, thief people, do many bad things for town. So tey this man come let us know say as this OPC people be wey be say this Gani Adams come be their leader, say im dey send boys make dem go collect person wife. He go send boys, dem go collect person wife, then go after dem don collect the person wife, dem go sleep the person wife. If the husband dey come outside come vex, dem go kpai the husband. Say if small thing happen like this, wetin dem dey after now na to destroy something, carry themselves with big boss go the person area, then go even beat the husband well. This one no be small something. Everybody now don come outside to come know say, oh, say na this kind person na we come make our Ajaye Ona Kakanfo. Though majority of people don talk say like this oh, say this man as e dey so, e no fit be their Ajaye Ona Kakanfo again. Say e no go fit be Ajaye Ona Kakanfo at all for Yoruba land. Say because all the bad thing wey this man don do no be small something. And now the people come dey let us dey understand say this man wey dem dey call Gani Adams, say wetin the problem be say e too like money. Say e too like money, na him make am wey be say anywhere wey money no dey, e no go see am for there. That is why you go see say anywhere wey money dey, na there e go fight bad thing out. Now these people don talk many things. Say now this Gani Adams wey we dey talk about, we the Yoruba people, we no want make e dey our midst again, simply because this man no love the Yoruba people. And they don't let us understand say these people wey they call OPC, they supposed to dey advise themselves so that they go fit do better things. Say but all of them na the same corner na in them face. And he can't still let us dey understand say that Gani Adams wey you dey see, say why person go get leader wey be say you no go fit get suggestion for that kind leader. Instead the leader go say make you quiet, say nothing, wetin dey your mouth wey you wan talk. Say this man if he dey in the midst of plenty people wey dey work with am, wey dey follow am, say na only him dey always dey correct. Say every other person they know they dey correct for where this man dey. Say now as e be so, this OPC group say they suppose stop them to dey do anything for this country, because these people say na their only thing wey dem dey think na only make them get money. They no care about wetin dey happen to Yoruba people. Say na so these people don dey do. Say that is why im come hate Chief Sunday Igboho as e take hate am. So now everybody don come outside don dey talk say, well, Chief Sunday Igboho na him be the only man wey be say all the Yoruba people trust. Na him be the only man wey be say him know say na him go put smiles for the faces of the people. Say as far as the Gani Adams be, say the man say na very wicked man wey be say people no supposed to dey go close to am. Say na so he dey lie too much. Many things they don't talk about this one, my brother, my sister, and then they come still let us know say that Gani Adams, say those in boys will be say they used to go attack people that time. So those in boys now, so all of them, about 17 of them, they still there for prison as we dey talk. No be small something, my people, onto this level. Now so we see am, say the person will una take make una Ajaye Ona Kakanfo. But now many people don't wake up, don't realize say this person wey dem use they make it their Ajaye Ona Kakanfo. The person na scammer. The person no be for Yoruba village, in for common. And the person, in fact, according to wetin dem dey talk, they say this man no be Yoruba man, and he no like the Yoruba people. So therefore make dem carry dis man comot for dat position, make him find another way go, because him no belong to Yoruba land. Okay my pipo, na so we see am unto dis one. If dis one na your first time wey you dey join us, abeg make you try, make you subscribe, make you like, and make you dey share our job. Our prayer be say our good Lord go continue to dey help una. Na so e be my pipo, unto dis one until I come on our way next time. I say una bye for now.